So, a different mix-up combination for this walk. We've got the boys, the surly boys, who, even though are very polite, are a little surly and very nice. But we've got Mama wanted to come out and join us. And personally, I think Bruce and Mama are a little sweet on each other, and it's kind of cool to see. Let's see if we can motivate this gentleman. Yes, sir. Thank you. Come on. Yeah. You're a good boy. I love you, man. Yeah, you know it. Come on. Let's go. Oop. Oop. Thanks, buddy. You're the best. Mama trailblazing ahead as usual. Let's see if we can go out into the middle of the pasture and get a look at the morning. Oh, it should be a nice, clear, warm day today. Got down below freezing last night. But it'll probably be 80 today, easily. Come on, buddy. Yeah, dude. Look good. I'm leaving the leash on Bruce because he likes to do a little skedaddling. I kind of want to just keep the pack tighter today. This guy, he doesn't necessarily need anything. He's so chill. Come on. Oh, yeah. Shed the dying chain. Brucey. Yeah, why am I wearing this? I like this energy here. Mama, keeping Matcha motivated. Lucy, walk with me, buddy. You're a good boy. I know you're stepping on it. I just kind of want to keep up with them today. Going off in an interesting area, going over Killian's Memorial. Making sure we don't have any hornet nests still. Hey. Hold on. Nah. I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to pick you up out of there. It's a stream. Goes down about 4 feet into there. And yeah. Not today. It gets shallower over here, but you know. Can I get 3 dogs in one shot? Ooh. There it is. Almost. Mama. Good girl. Oh yeah, here's the action. Yeah, the little stream is a lot shallower here. It's a lot less precarious for dogs that are unaware of this. I don't usually let them go over here. Good job, bro. Matcha. Can we go the other way? Mama. This way? Mama. Oh shit. Hey. Mama. Stop. Mama? Matcha. Mama? Bad. Come on. You, sir, have lost your privileges. Bad. Come on. Come on. Think you're gonna go walking down that road? Let's go. Oh, are you in trouble? No. Come on. Come on. I'm not some evil. There you go. Come on, Mama. You're crazy. Out of 5.5 acres. You see this, everyone. 5.5 acres. And there's a lot of it you're not even seeing. And you got dogs. They have fenced in places out in the nature. They can go right through their dog door. And you give them just a little bit of freedom. And where are they going to want to head? Right to the road. Right to the road where there's just hillbillies squealing by. Non-concerned about dark dogs. Especially old farts. What happened to you? Where'd you get tangled up? Did you get tangled up, old timer? Come on. Thank you, sir. Yeah, sorry to be the downer, guys. I might not be your father, but I sure am your dad. I think that was a Replacement's quote. Or I said, I might not be your father, but I sure am your dad. Come on, King. You just still sit down and chill. I love you, guy. Come on. All right. Well, that was fun, letting you guys roam free. Boo, boo, boo. Is that Saphira? Saphira! You just stopped. You okay, buddy? All right, cool. All right. Oops. Old gal's running circles around us. I can only imagine the energy that dog had when it was a puppy. Oof. Cute. Always cute. All right, buddy. You don't need this either. Sorry. Just don't go running over to the other end of the property and into the neighbor's yard. Goof. watch for Bruce. Matcha. Come on. What's your brother doing? Come on. Let's go see. Matcha. 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 Come on. Looks like Bruce is on his final lap. His final leg. Matcha sees the writing on the wall. He's cool with it. He's coming. Mama, I think she wants to explore the new world. I think she's ready to hop in a ship and just disappear. Aren't you? There's like a 3-part mini-series for this dog, I guarantee it. Aren't you? Aren't you perfect? Another frozen winter day on a Tennessee farm. There's Sophia welcoming everyone home. Hi, honey. Yeah, put all this equipment away. Today, there's Matcha. Ready to go in. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. Where'd you come from? Are you a magician dog?